Weekend Modder here with a send-in service for Edreih Edreih A. I apologize if I murder your name there. This is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It is a Corona with a 16 megabyte NAND. It did not require a postfix adapter, so that actually makes it a V1. As you can see, a really nice fast boot time in there thanks to that Muffin CR4 install. You can actually hear a little bit of a high-pitched ringing come out of the fans. If you count those, that gives you the number of cycles before your successful glitch. It's totally normal. That noise stops once the console boots. You can see we've got it preloaded to go directly into Freestyle. XEX menu, Aurora Dash, and Dash Launch are all pre-installed as well. It's also on the latest dashboard. So I appreciate your patience. I know this console took the full, pretty close to our full time frame sort of thing. I think it came in like the 7th, and today's the 15th, so I know it's been a little while here, but we'll get it packed up and headed out your way tomorrow. So thanks very much, and hope you enjoy.